सुन रहे हो? एक सीढ़ी नीचे जाओ ना, पता चलेगा। यस।
Don't do it. Don't do it.
लोग भी अपने जानते हो, दूसरों को जान तो नहीं, इसे डालना चाहिए अभी सीढ़ी पर तक। हमको लगता था कि खाली टाइम पास के लिए इतना लंबा सीढ़ी बना दिया, आज एहसास हो रहा है कि हाँ। हाँ बैठो। गंगा भर गया, पुरुष है गंगा।
Start.
क्या पूछ रहे थे आप?
Yes, Mr. Bhaskar. Explain about the current situation in Ganga.
The current situation is serious. River Ganga, or as we call her in English, Ganges, is flowing above the mark of danger. And as you can see, this is the first, second, third, fourth step of the local ghat where I stand. And below this step there are around 20 steps, and a height of at least 20 to 25 feet. So the river bed lies at least 20 steps below, but due to the ingrain and heavy outpour of rain on the upper parts of the Indo-Gangetic plains, we see that the level has risen to dangerous extent.
When did you get to know about this situation in
I
Ganga?
received a public message through the department on my cell phone that.
Which department of the government? Can you name the department?
Maybe Department of River or something.
Department of River does not exist in Government of India. It must have been given by NDMA.
Sorry, yes, NDMA. Yes.
It seems as if your knowledge regarding government hierarchy is very poor.
No, it's not poor because I have no experience.
No experience.
That is why you can see that.
And it also seems that you don't want to get yourself acquainted with this hierarchy of government.
No, I want to, but first pay me money.
You will get money only if you know the hierarchy. And what is the message you are going to leave for the other folks who want to visit Ganga in monsoon?
Please be careful while enjoying the ghats of Ganga. As you can see, I'll show you. As you can see, right in the center, there is a different wave all across. You can see that disturbance. Then
I think that is called current.
no, in Ganga there is no current as such. The water flows in layers. So there is a separate layer, and then there is relatively a calmer part. You can see at that point.
Okay, how do you identify that this is a different layer and this is a different layer? How do you distinguish between two layers?
You don't see waves forming distinctly in river Ganga. What happens is you will see layers overlapping upon each other, and while the layers are forming, you will also see that the same water gets displaced at the same rate. So you will see that the river kind of pushes itself while forming layers.
So does this only happen in Ganga, or is it a common phenomenon in every river?
No. While we were studying for our civil exams, which unfortunately I didn't appear even after studying, I was told that.
But my geography teacher never taught me about this
No,
concept.
No, you and I were in the same class, my boy.
No, he never taught me. I remember vividly. He never taught about this concept.
He distinctly, I remember him telling me distinctly that it's only river Ganga.
Do you think the water has gone into the villages also?
Yes. There, at an average gradient of 0.5 meters, the depth increases by at least 5 feet. And it is not because the sides are uneven. It's because the river behaves in such a way. You will never see that Ganga is behaving roughly, but the moment you start going deep into it, you will realize that 10 मीटर पे चलना आसान है.
What else do you know about Ganga which common people generally do not know?
That I cannot specify.
It seems as if you have very limited knowledge about Ganga as
Yes,
well.
I have limited knowledge about a lot of things.
But it hasn't.
I do not wish to add anything that I cannot be sure of.
But tell me, it hasn't rained much in Patna. Then why the water level has risen so much?
Because of Kosi Gandak.
And where does Kosi come from?